Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be working on this SLK 320. SLK other ones might have similar one. If you're looking for a fuse box location, there'll be one right in here and one under the hood. To get to this one, all you gotta do is take a screwdriver and just open them up, and that should come off just like that. And there's your fuses, and the location of them will be right in here. You close it, you just line it up right here. Sometimes these come off. Press them in, make sure everything's tight. And what you do is take a flathead screwdriver and turn it back west. OBD port, it's gonna be located right under the steering wheel. Right in here. It says right there, Mercedes. All you do is just pop it. It's right there, and you plug in your computer to read the computer and all the other stuff. And to get to your second one, you'll be under the hood. What you want to do is open the hood. And the second one will be right in here. There's your fuses. And the location is right in here on the cover. So to close it, you just line it up. And there you go. You also have a third one. It's located right in here. What you want to do is just unlock it and raise this up. And there it is, right in there. To close it, you just line it up. And that'll be it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.